tile cutter. It is called a tile cutter TS 20 to 400. We use an ordinary black or colored felt tip pen with a thin rod and a tape measure. We measure with the tape measure the required distance that needs to be cut off, mark the points on both sides. After the marks, we put the tile on the tile cutter, set it so that the emphasis falls on the edges of the device. Exact expose the tile on the two marked. To prevent from staggering, you need to put our plywood on the opposite side for support. We hold the tile with one hand, cut the tile with the other, bring the knife to the end of the tile. Next, with the stop of the tile cutter, we press on the tile and disconnect it. The tile is not perfectly cut. Where there are irregularities, you need to trim with a file or sandpaper. It is necessary to cut off a rectangle for the boiler. I already drew a pen. For effective cutting, we carry out a tile according to art. Next, use a hacksaw with a special blade for tiles and cut off evenly. With a hacksaw and a special blade for tiles, you can cut both vertically and horizontally. If a hacksaw for metal is not enough for cutting tiles, then we use a hacksaw for wood. I draw your attention to the fact that the blade for cutting tiles has a rounded shape. I sawed a piece of tile. We process this area with a file or sandpaper. Thank you all for your attention. Put likes and subscribe to the channel. All the best, goodbye.